Value investors like Warren Buffett have created more than $100 billion of wealth by investing in the stocks because they realize that stock market is like a theater, but the rules are very different compared with a conventional movie theater. Here, we have limited seats in this theater and one can enter only if someone is selling his ticket and one can exit only if someone is buying his ticket. So there is an entry barrier and exit barrier. So you cannot enter or exit as per your wish. And during the bull market, when the share prices are rising and the market is going up every day, no one wants to leave. They all want to enjoy the show. So there will be a huge crowd waiting outside the theater in the anticipation that someone will sell his ticket and they will get an opportunity to enjoy the show. Since there is huge demand, anyone who wants to enter the theater during such optimistic environment should pay high prices for the ticket. That's what happens during the bull market. But during the bear market, when the share prices are sinking and the market is falling down every day, no one wants to stay in the theater. They'll panic and they all want to exit the theater at the same time. But the fact is, in such a pessimistic environment, not many people would be waiting outside the theater to purchase the tickets. And since the supply is higher than the demand, anyone who wants to get out of the theater during such a pessimistic environment should sell their tickets at a very low price. And that is exactly the kind of opportunity value investors like Warren Buffett are patiently waiting for. Value investors will be waiting outside the theater for the right time, and during the bear market, they buy tickets paying dead cheap prices from all the gullible investors who want to exit the theater in panic. And what happens now? Value investors will enter the theater and wait for the reversal of the market cycle. And eventually the cycle will turn and again the share prices starts going up and the market will be rising every day. And all those gullible investors who sold their tickets at dead cheap prices wants to enjoy the show again. And as usual, there will be a huge crowd outside the theater in the anticipation that someone will sell his ticket and they will get an opportunity to enjoy the show again. Since there is huge demand, anyone who wants to enter the theater during such optimistic environment should pay high prices for the ticket. And that is exactly the kind of opportunity value investors will be waiting for. During such optimistic environment, when there is huge demand, they all sell the tickets at high prices and get out of the theater making huge profits. A value investor bought those tickets from a panic seller during the bear market at dead cheap prices. And now he'll sell all those tickets to optimistic buyers during the bull market at extremely high prices. That's the secret, my friend. Successful value investors like Warren Buffett were using for decades to create enormous wealth in the stock market. So the mantra is pretty simple: be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. So buy when everyone is selling and sell when everyone is buying. Stock market works in cycles like a pendulum swing, moving from bear market to bull market and bull market to bear market. So buy the stocks in the bear market when everyone is fearful and sell in the bull market when everyone is optimistic.